Hello guys, welcome to our 2025 camping. So, mao ni ang among cottage, Levi and Alvin and Nancy and me and Luna. And then this one is for Manila's tent. Manila's tent. Let's go inside. Okay. Ako man pagsara yate atara. And then this is
wait lang.
oh, nagbihis ka?
Oo, ay nagpaparan ng breastfeed.
Okay. Then ang mga kananan, ang lechon.
Sino ba itong vlog?
Ang mga kitchen. This is our kitchen. And lastly, ilaori ang tent. Mana aktor? Ada yang aktor? Mana lang tent? May boyless tent.
Dila daw ng baboy.
So, gulat pa ang dua ka group, ang dua ka pamilya. The Villasor family and Feb and Joel family.
Swimming pool. Ha? Swimming pool. Wait, sama ko.